Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today we are making some purple groundnut sauce. In about 3 days to 1 week before preparing this sauce, you harvest a purple which is not so ready, but which is turning at least yellow. After harvesting, I'll cut our purple into small pieces that can easily dry under the sun. Right now I'm done slicing them, so I'll go ahead and put them in the solar dryer and let them stay until they are completely dry. I'll add salt and 1 small onion, this is after 1 week of drying. That's how they look like. These are roughly 2 medium-sized purples. So I'll take half of it. That means I'll use 1 purple. Prior to adding our purples, we soak them in some cold water for about 5 minutes. Then you drain out the water and then add them to the sauce. We do that because at this stage they are kind of hard. So this helps to soften them a little. Right now our groundnut sauce is ready. You can see some oil has started forming on top. I'll then go ahead and add in our purples. After simmering for about 10 minutes, our sauce is now ready. So you can see the purples just become soft, but they don't break. They remain firm. So this sauce can be served with posho, rice, sweet potatoes, cassava. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, share this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.